In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test your marketing email in Hubspot. A/B testing is a powerful way to optimize your email campaigns by comparing two different versions to see which one performs better. Whether you're testing subject lines, email content, or call to action buttons, this process can give you valuable insights into what resonates most with your audience. So, let's dive in and get started. First, head over to HubSpot and log into your account. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Once you're logged in, you'll see the HubSpot dashboard, which is the central hub for all of your marketing tools. Next, look at the navigation bar at the top of the screen and click on Marketing. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From there, select Email. This will take you to the Email Management section, where you can see all of your existing email campaigns. Now, locate the email you want to test. You might need to scroll through your list of emails or use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you've found the right email, click on it to open it up. From here, you'll see an option to create A/B test. Go ahead and click on that button to begin setting up your test. A/B testing in HubSpot allows you to experiment with different versions of your email to see which one performs better with your audience. This is an essential step for refining your marketing strategy and improving your overall email engagement. Now, it's time to configure your A/B test parameters. This is where you decide what aspect of your email you want to test. You could test the subject lines to see which one grabs more attention in the inbox. Alternatively, you might experiment with the email content itself, like different layouts, images, or messaging styles. Or you could focus on testing your call to action buttons, for example, trying different placements, colors, or wordings to see what drives more clicks. Take your time here to choose the element that aligns best with your goals for this email campaign. Once you've set up the test versions, double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Review the content of each version, your testing criteria, and any settings you've configured. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that the test runs smoothly and the results are reliable. When you're confident that everything is ready, click the button to launch your test. Once your test is live, HubSpot will automatically send each version to a portion of your audience. It will then track the results and provide you with insights on which version performed better. This data will help you identify what works best for your audience so you can apply those learnings to future campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully set up an A/B test for your marketing email in HubSpot. By following these steps, you can optimize your email campaigns to achieve better engagement and results over time. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.